Welcome beautiful people. Yes, I'm here with a snack recipe. Only 3 ingredients and your boom, your sweet snack is ready. So here I'm taking 3 slices which I've cut into these triangles as you can see, and 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yeah, it's gonna be really sweety. So let's start making it. Such a quick recipe. First of all, I'll break the egg. I'm gonna add the sugar and beat it. Add a little amount of water. Beat. And it's get like this foamy texture. It means it's well beaten. So now I'm gonna dip these slices in this egg. Now coat it. It's such a quick snack. Okay, now I'm gonna fry this. Now our oil is enough hot. I'm gonna put this one by one. So it's so crispy and sweet and dates, and it's really gonna be delicious. And it's such a quick recipe for your snack. If there is any guest and you don't have anything to cook very quickly, so you can make this. And it's really awesome for kids. It's now getting golden brown. It will take only 5 minutes to make this recipe. So then our Bombay toast will be ready. This is our final look of Bombay toast. It's so sweet snack, and you can serve it in front of your guest or to your kids. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.